Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're going to see how to display real-time network speed indicator on Samsung phone. So for that, let's head over to our settings option right here. Now go to connections. Now in here, you have to go to your Wi-Fi. And if you have turned on your Wi-Fi, you will find the network option or network speed on there. And you can also go to mobile networks. And in here you will find the network speed of your mobile service. But um, as for One UI 7's latest update, the Android 14 doesn't have that option to show the network speed or network speed indicator. So for now, it is not available in Android 14, but you will get it on Android 12, 13 versions. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and I will see you in the next one.